If you have age spots, sensitive skin, or sensitive mature skin, and you are looking for a non-invasive way to increase the absorption rate in your skin with your home care products, then you may want to consider something that doesn't include heat, it doesn't scrape, burn, or cut your skin. So one of the ways that you can use is, one is microcurrent, and two is PEF, and PEF stands for pulse electrical fields. So this is a non-invasive way to basically increase the absorption and the efficacy of your skincare products. If you are over the age of 60 or have postmenopausal skin, then 1 in every 3 of us will likely develop a degenerative skin disease as we age. Hi, my name is Christy, and I have been professionally treating clients in over 13 years, doing over 26,000 different treatments, specifically focusing on in the areas of hyperpigmentation, acne, and other skin diseases and disorders. And today we're going to be talking about the best machines that mature skin can use at home to increase the efficacies of your home care products. Mature skin experiences degenerative changes in the skin, both from external aging and internal aging. So external aging, everybody talks about, is cumulative damage, being exposed to pollution, blue light, UV rays, and internal. So intrinsic aging is basically just the physiological changes that are happening in your skin, and that, changes the amount of hormones, which then drive the collagen and elastin. So collagen and elastin, obviously, it reduces, but also the striations of collagen and elastin actually become irregular and muddled, and the structure of the blood vessels, the blood vessels and the capillaries begin to atrophy. So because mature skin produces less and less oils or lipids in the skin, mature skin has a more impaired lipid barrier or moisture barrier. And because of that, it also doesn't hold on to moisture as long, and the wound healing actually significantly slows down as we age, which then the aging skin cannot respond as well as younger skin to acid peels and microdermabrasion and microneedling, any type of wounds that we inflict on the skin in order to stimulate the collagen and elastin. So when the skin is impaired like that, then obviously these typical anti-aging treatments, the skin doesn't respond as well. And as we age, because of that, you are more likely to, or we, I should say, are more likely to experience degenerative skin diseases and disorders. For example, different types of dermatitis, eczema, psoriasis, and just the skin just becomes more and more sensitive and reactive to the environment, to products over time. Now, PEF has been used for tumor removal, wound disinfection, and food preservation. Now, unlike most treatments that help rejuvenate the skin, basically they affect the cells and the extracellular matrix. And this can induce some scarring at some level. And this is why darker skinned people their pigmentation actually comes back even more in some instances when they do laser or some kind of invasive therapy. And people who have fair skin, when they have pigmentation and it's treated with laser, typically they have better results. But they may have some other form of scarring, which is basically wrinkles, because wrinkle is another form of scarring depending on the type of skin that you have. So with PEF, it's not invasive, and so it doesn't affect the cells or the extracellular matrix. It actually keeps them intact, and instead it actually affects the cell membrane. Studies have been done both on human skin and on rodent skin, and they are still doing further studies, but basically studies have definitely suggested that this really does help as a non-invasive way to improve the skin's function without causing any inflammation. So PEF is another alternative way for more mature skin or skin with impaired barrier to be able to increase the efficacy without using any heat or any type of treatments that include cutting the skin, burning the skin, or scraping the skin. So if you're finding this information helpful, you want more of this, then please give me a thumbs up and let me know this is the type of information that you are looking for. Okay, so now we're going to head on over to the bathroom and we're going to go ahead and check out how this actually is used. This is the BIOEQUA Dermal Enercharger Ultra. This handheld machine, when used correctly with your skincare products, can help refine pores within 7 days, helps fine lines and wrinkles in 14 days, and improve overall appearance in 21 days. The PEF machine, what this does, it protects the structure of the extracellular matrix, triggering multiple growth factors to stimulate new cell and tissue growth, according to researchers. When you want to turn on the machine, there is a silver button on the side here, and you just press it and the light will go on right here for jet. If these lights go on, obviously you need to charge the battery, and it comes with a plug to do so. Press again to turn off. Okay, so we are now in the bathroom. I have totally cleansed my face except my eye makeup because I do have a international consultation that I have to do, a Zoom meeting. So I'm going to leave that on because I have to redo everything and I don't think I have enough time. So, okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to start with clean skin. The other thing that you want to do is normally if you are using a water-based serum that has humectants but no active ingredients in it like vitamin C, then you can just spray your toner on your face and then put the serum. But because I'm going to be using, I'm going to try it with the Emapel serum, I'm going to put that on first. So you would put this first because it does have active ingredients in it. You can see it's a gel. So you're going to apply this on first. And if you want to, you can do it in sections if you'd like, but I'm going to, given that I have a time constraint, lighting in here is really bad. Okay. And it's going to be still moist. I'm not going to be applying it until it's completely dry. Okay. Which normally, if you have active ingredients in the serum, you do want to wait, especially vitamin C. Okay, but I don't have a lot of time. I'm doing this for demonstration purposes only. And then you're going to take a toner. So I have mine in a travel little bottle here, and this is my Botanical Brightening Biopeptide. So I'm going to go ahead and spray that on, just so it's like very moist. Okay, so you can see that my face is pretty wet here. And then you're going to take your machine here and you're going to turn it on, and basically you're going to hold it close to the skin but not on the skin, and you're just going to go on in different areas. Okay, so just like, so for example, if you want to work on an age spot, so I have some hyperpigmentation here, you just turn it on, close your eyes, and you're just going to concentrate in that area for a minute. And after it beeps, you know to go to the next section. And as you're doing this, you're going to be able to smell this kind of odd scent, and that's the ozone. Okay, so that's, those of you who are chemistry majors, you know that's O3. Okay, just like that. Okay, you can use this for targeting facial tightening in 3-minute increments. So what I mean by that is you can start, you turn it on, and I'm going to go faster than the beeps, but when it beeps, you move to the next side. But when you turn it on, you can use it for forehead wrinkles, and you want to bring it right to the side here and just concentrate on that area. And then move down to the side here if you've got crow's feet. Under here with the under eye bags. You can concentrate on your cheeks for the volume on the cheeks. You can also use it for your nasolabial folds right here. Try not to breathe this in because it has ozone. And then you can use it for your jawline. And basically you're going to go all the way around, you know, concentrating. Okay? So that's basically how you would do it. So this helps increase the absorption level of your skincare products without inflicting inflammation on your skin by scraping skin off, by you know, burning it or scraping it. Okay, so that's just another option, especially for people who have mature skin. Now, for those of you who have sensitive skin, you can use this, and it is absolutely normal to get some redness a few days afterwards. So as long as it doesn't hurt, it's normal to do that. And once the redness is gone, you can resume doing it. And you may have to increase the time and the amount that you do it as your skin. For those of you who are have sensitive skin, you may have to just build up to using this more frequently. Okay, so here comes the pro tip. The pro tip is if you want to use this machine in the treatment room, I would first of all offer this as an upgrade because, you know, the money that you spent to purchase the machine and more time, you want to offer this as an upgrade. So when you're doing this in the treatment room, it's very important that you take the hand that is not carrying the machine, right, not holding it. You want that constantly on your client to ground the electricity so you don't shock your client. So while you're using this, your other hand is always on the client, and then turn it off first. Okay, then you can let go of your client. Okay, so that's one pro tip. The other one is that if you have mature skin, not only can you put the serum on and a toner and then use it, you can also put a cream or an oil on your skin and use it and just focus. So when you're using it, you want to make sure, okay, that it is close to your skin, constantly moving the machine, but not on your skin. Okay, and be careful, try not to breathe in the ozone that it's in. So if you're sensitive to ozone, then this is probably not the machine for you. Okay, so you can also use that for mature skin to increase the level of hydration and moisturization in your skin. If you are interested in postmenopausal skincare, then make sure you catch this video right here. And remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science.